Can I use my Mastercard abroad? Think of your Mastercard as a near universal key, but not a magic wand. Yes, you can use it abroad wherever the Mastercard logo appears, at most hotels, shops, and ATMs. Still, a few checks make the difference between smooth swipes and awkward standstills. Before you go, confirm your issuer's travel policy. Many no longer need a travel notice, but some still do. Verify your contact info and enable transaction alerts. Check fees. Some cards add 1 to 3% foreign transaction fees, and ATMs may add their own surcharges. Set or confirm a 4-digit PIN. Some terminals are chip and PIN only, and cash advances require one. Carry a backup card and a bit of local cash. At the counter, if you're offered to pay in your home currency, decline. Choose the local currency to avoid costly dynamic currency conversion. If contactless fails, insert the chip. Limits vary by country. Bottom line, your Mastercard works worldwide, but a 5-minute prep, fees, PIN, alerts, backup, turns usually works into works reliably.